Hello everyone and welcome to this amazing video about the Himalayan mountains. These magnificent peaks are the tallest and some of the most awe-inspiring mountains in the world. Today, we'll be exploring the history, formation, and unique features of the Himalayas. So sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. The Himalayas are a mountain range that stretch over 1,500 miles through 5 countries: Bhutan, India, Nepal, China, and Pakistan. These majestic peaks rise above the surrounding landscape, reaching heights of over 29,000 feet. The Himalayas were formed over millions of years as a result of plate tectonics. The collision between the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates caused the Earth's crust to uplift, forming these massive peaks. The Indian plate was once part of the ancient continent of Gondwana and began to move towards Asia about 50 million years ago. As the two plates collided, the immense pressure and heat caused the rock to fold and buckle, creating the dramatic peaks and valleys we see today. This process is still ongoing, causing the Himalayas to grow taller each year. Over time, the forces of erosion and glacial activity have further shaped the Himalayas. Glaciers have carved deep valleys and created iconic features such as Mount Everest, the world's tallest peak. The harsh and extreme conditions of the Himalayas have created a unique and diverse ecosystem. From the lush forests at lower elevations to the barren, icy peaks, the Himalayas are home to a wide variety of flora and fauna, including rare and endangered species such as the snow leopard and the red panda. The Himalayas are also home to millions of people, many of whom have lived in these mountains for centuries. These communities have developed a rich cultural heritage, and their way of life is deeply connected to the landscape and environment of the Himalayas. From the famous Sherpas of Nepal to the nomadic herders of the high plateau, these communities have developed unique traditions, beliefs, and lifestyles that have been passed down through generations. The Himalayas have also become a popular destination for adventure and tourism. From trekking and climbing to exploring the local culture and traditions, the Himalayas offer something for everyone. However, it's important to remember that the Himalayas are a fragile and vulnerable ecosystem, and it's essential to be mindful of our impact and to take care of this incredible environment for future generations to enjoy. And that's it for this video about the Himalayan mountains. I hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible peaks and their history, formation, and unique features. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.